Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. See that tiny icon next to your site's name in the browser tab? Well, that's called a favicon, short for favorite icon. This tiny image appears next to your website's title in browser tabs, bookmarks, and sometimes in browser history. Despite its small size, this little icon plays a significant role in branding. And changing your favicon in WordPress is a small yet powerful way to improve your website's branding and user experience. So, in this video, you'll be learning how to change your favicon in WordPress, starting with the method using the WordPress site editor. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll find all the options to control your website, including the ability to update the favicon. On the left menu, hover over Appearance and click Editor. This opens the Site Editor, where you can tweak various elements of your site's design, including the favicon. Click on your site. Then, click on the plus icon at the top left to add a block. Now, search for Site Logo. If you click on it and see the message, "It can't be inserted," just double-click on an empty section of your site. A message will pop up on your screen saying, "You've tried to select a block that is part of a template that may be used elsewhere on your site. Would you like to edit the template?" So, click the Edit Template button. Now, drag and drop the site logo block into your site. Click the site logo, then go to Settings. Under Media, you'll see your current favicon. Click on it and either choose a new image from your media library or upload one from your computer. The ideal favicon size is 512 by 512 pixels. This ensures your favicon will look crisp and clear on all devices. You can use a variety of formats, including PNG, JPEG, and ICO. PNG is the most commonly used format due to its transparent background and high-quality display. Once done, toggle on Use as Site Icon. You'll see a note that says, "Site icons are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps." Once you've selected your image, click Save, and then publish your site. Another easy way to change your favicon in WordPress is through your main dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Settings and then click General. Under General Settings, you'll see Site Icon along with a note that says, "The site icon is what you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps. It should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels. So, click Change Site Icon. Then choose an image from your media library or upload one directly from your computer. Once you're done, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's it! In just a few clicks, you've updated your WordPress favicon and improved your site's branding. Go check it out in your browser tab. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.